Hi, good evening. Hello friends. Ito ulit tayo. Ah, Another unboxing. Look, I removed this necklace because very heavy. Look, I always wear this at home, but while I'm working, it's not necessary to wear this to use this. So later I will remove because it's too heavy and too big. Okay. Another unboxing. This one. Many different kinds of gloves. Like this. This is Supermax 50 pairs of gloves. Powdered latex surgical gloves. This is surgical gloves. Sterile. This is only used for operation. Another like this. It's Supermax. Poly latex surgical gloves. Many different kind of gloves like this Supermax, like this poly gloves. This is sterile. It's large size 8.5. Used for only for surgical. I use this also when using the dressing, like this. I open this and then the left and right. It's it's sterile. So it's safety for the use of wounds, surgical or any kind. Excuse me, alhamdulillah. Yes, this one. This is sterile powdered latex surgical gloves. I use this also when I put a catheter by inserting catheter of the patient because sometimes he cannot urinate. So I use catheterization. I use this for his catheter. It's very safety. It's sterile. And this is for the all around here when just ordinary assisting him or the patient. Anybody can use this. Also, this I wear is like only plastic gloves. This is not safety. Maybe it's used only for few minutes like this, but it's not safety. Sometimes it will broken, so it's not safety. The best is this one, the poly latex gloves, because it's little bit thicker than this one is thicker. And this is the very safety because it's little bit thick than this. Okay, so there are three kinds of gloves, three. And this one also, this is the same, this is the same, like this, but this is more thicker, this is more safer because safety because it's little bit thick, used only for operations. This also used for catheterization. This also for cannula. Yes. Different kind of gloves. So which is best for me to use is this one. Using this during the catheterization. Something I change the peg or the catheter like that. This is very safety. This is for ordinary use. Only for tracheostomy like that. Same like this, the same tracheostomy. And this for just work, uh, light work, not for touching the patient, not for the patient's use. This is only for something useful or so, but not for the sensitive, how to say, operations. Yes, thank you. And of course, while doing the operation or doing something that is very sensitive for the patient, especially for his catheter, for the peg in his intestine, or changing his tracheostomy, is better to use this one. This one, I always using this one. This is very good. Also, I use this also, but I make this double, two, one, two. I make this double, so more safety and hygienic. This all the same. This also the small goes only for using in the wounds also. This for goes for his like betadine, small like this, but or something for medical medicine. Okay, thank you very much. And this is white paper. This is white pad. This is to contain everything here like this, so it makes safety and clean when you throw this with betadine like that, and throw like that, something like that, and then just remove everything, and then just fold it and throw it outside, throw in the garbage. This is very important. Okay, remove this now. Okay, thank you, friend. This is my last demonstration tonight. The other day still have. Thank you very much for watching, my friends. See you. And if you like my video, please like, thumbs up, comment, and subscribe. Please click the notification bell, so you'll be updated every time I'm making short videos. Thank you very much for watching.